Probably you already know about Home Assistant actionable notifications, or you never heard about them. Maybe you're using the Home Assistant companion app, or maybe you've never ever seen it before. But I will say it doesn't matter. I'll try to cover all of these cases in this video. Coming up! What's up, Kirill Payanskis here. For those of you still wondering what is Home Assistant actionable notification, the answer is a notification sent to mobile device that allows adding one or more buttons to it. And when you click on these buttons, the event is sent back to Home Assistant and you can use these events for automation triggers. I can't wait to show you the Home Assistant actionable notifications because they are great and they can help you a lot in your smart home. Except the actionable notifications, there are also push notifications available with custom sounds, attachments, and even dynamic attachments that can contain your camera stream. But before we go further, I just want to say big thank you to our sponsor today called smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. I'm kidding, there is no sponsor, but this is pretty big topic to cover. And if you wouldn't mind just hitting that little thumb button, it will greatly help me. Now let's start this video.
The first thing that you have to add in your Home Assistant is this default config section, which is a set of integrations listed right here. To add it, just copy these lines.
Now go check in your Home Assistant configuration if these lines are available. If not, then just add them.
And paste them in your configuration.yaml file. I'll use my file editor add-on. I'll double check that I don't have such section already. If I have this, I will not have to do anything, but in my case it's missing, so I'll add it right here. If for some reason you don't want to have this default config in your Home Assistant configuration, you can replace this default config with mobile app entry as well as discovery. So you can add these two lines in your configuration.yaml and remove the default config section. It's your choice. I have all of them, and it's working fine. So I'll click Save, then I'll go to Configuration, Server Controls, check Configuration, everything is fine, and I'll restart my Home Assistant.
Now go to iOS App Store or Google Play and search and destroy, I meant search and download the Home Assistant app. Have in mind that you need iOS 10 or greater or Android 5 or greater to run the Home Assistant companion app. Here is how you can set it up.
Open your app and click Continue, then enter your SSL enabled Home Assistant address.
You will need SSL enabled remote access to your Home Assistant to proceed further. You can get that by either paying for the Home Assistant cloud service called Nabocasa, or you can get it for free by watching my video about Home Assistant remote access. So, go watch that video and implement it, and then come back right here.
And click Connect, Continue, enter your username, password, and two-form factor authentication code if you have.
Enable everything here. I have to say this is the only app on my phone with such rights. I somehow deeply trust the Home Assistant crew. Good job, guys. Keep on crushing it.
Click Continue again. Wait a bit here. No Nabocasa. And here it is.
Before we proceed further, let's quickly test if notifications can be sent using the Home Assistant developer tools. And that is a lot of fun, I promise!
When your Home Assistant is restarted, go to your developer tools, services, and search for Notify mobile app and your device name and click on it.
Quick question for you. Do you have Home Assistant companion app installed? Say simple yes or no in the comments below.
For service data, type a message colon anything and click call service. If I open my phone screen, I'll see the message there.
Currently, you are allowed to send 300 push notifications per day per device, which is pretty reasonable number.
And if you see something similar on your phone, then you're good to go and you can proceed with the next examples, which are very interesting, like this one. I'll copy these lines, you can get it from the video description and adapt it if you wish. This will open a URL if you click on the notification. I'll again click call service. And if I click on the notification, I'll see this dialog asking me whether to open my website URL. If I click yes, it will directly open my site. The next thing that I can check is this silent notification, which is very useful if you want to send silent messages. This will override your current sound settings, and no matter how loud are they, this will come silently to your phone. Unfortunately, this is available only on iOS devices. If I click call service, I'll receive ding dong silently and even without vibration. Next thing that I can show you are these pre-installed notifications. I'll copy this example. Actually, this will show me this message, actionable notification, starting in a bit. And Morgan Freeman will say starting party mode.
Starting party mode.
As you can see, it is working. You can see the other pre-installed sounds on this URL. As you can see, there are a lot: Morgan Freeman, Alexa, Daisy, and that's it. They are saying different stuff. You can use these for your automations and notifications. The next thing that I can show you is the notification attachments. I'll use a PNG image file, which is available on this URL. Content type is PNG, and if I click call service and I open my phone screen, you'll see my logo here, and if I hold the notification, I'll see the PNG in full screen, which is very nice. And the last is dynamic attachments, which are very useful. I'll copy these lines, I'll paste them right here, and this will open my entity ID, camera, Reolink, whatever, and it will push this stream to my phone. When I click on call service, I should see the notification on my phone. Here is my stream, and if I hold the notification, I can see the live broadcast. Very nice.
You may say these are no actionable notifications that you are showing until now. Don't worry, they're coming up.
You can use category identifiers to add custom actions in your notifications, and this is where the actionable notifications are coming in.
You can create category identifiers either by editing the configuration.yaml file or by using the Home Assistant companion app. You can try using the app if you wish, and here is where you can find the right menu. For good or for bad, using the app is not so intuitive for me as adding some YAML, so I will show you that in details. So let's create an actionable notification by creating a custom category, and then some Home Assistant automations to demonstrate you the end-to-end process.
To activate the Home Assistant actionable notifications, we have to create a categories in our configuration.yaml file. This is very easy. We have to add a name of the category, identifier that should be unique, and actions. which are actually the buttons under the notifications. In this example, sound alarm and silence alarm. So I will use this example right here as well as my custom camera with actions category. As you can see it here, so this is from the documentation and this is my custom category. And I'll copy these lines and I'll go to my Home Assistant, File Editor add-on, and I'll paste YAML code right here. These are my two categories named Alarm and Camera with Actions. So I'll click Save, Configuration, Server Control again, check Configuration, Restart.
Let's create the automations now. We will need two of them, and the first one will send an actionable notification with several buttons.
When Home Assistant is restarted, I'll go again to my File Editor add-on, and this time I'll open my automations.yaml file, and I'll paste these two automations, and I'll explain what they are doing. Okay, they're pasted now. The first automation will be triggered when this device changes its state to work. So when my device is going to the work zone, this automation will be activated and the action will be sent a message, this message with this title, using this service, our service that we added earlier, notify mobile app and my device name, and push this stream and use this category, camera. Remember this category? This is it. So the notification will push the stream of the camera and it will add this category with these actions under the notification. So this is the first automation.
The second automation will listen for the events that are coming from the pressed buttons.
The second automation will listen for this action, turn on lights, as you can see here. So if there is an event turn on lights, basically that means if someone press the turn on lights button under this notification, execute this action, which is call a light turn on service on this entity, kitchen lights. Let's see this in action and you'll figure it out more easily when you see the end-to-end process. I'll click Save. I'll go again to Configuration, Server Controls, and this time I'll reload my automations. Now I'll go to Developer Tools to simulate changing the state of my device to work. I'll search for my device, Kirill's iPhone. Currently the state is home, and I'll change this to work, and I'll click Set State. Here is the notification, and if I hold my finger on the notification, I'll see my camera stream and three buttons under it. And if I press the first one, turn on the lights, let's see what will happen. My kitchen lights get turned on, which is working and exactly as expected. Very good. Of course, you can customize this as you wish.
Any sort of engagement on this channel does really help a lot with the YouTube algorithm. So you make sure that you hit the subscribe, like and bell buttons if you enjoyed this video. Also, feel free to add me on Twitter by searching for this username. I'm trying to post there frequently. You can also find me on my Discord server as well. And if you want to become one of my supporters, you can see exactly how in the video description. I really hope that you find this information useful and you now know how to make Home Assistant actionable notifications and how to use the Home Assistant companion app. Stay safe and don't forget, home smart but not hard. Thank you for watching, see you next time.